everyone, I'm starting a new packing vlog. We are flying to Hawaii tomorrow for a 5-day trip, so I'm extremely excited. We kind of booked it last minute because literally just a few days ago. We already had some time off from work and we were like, this is the last chance this year that we're gonna be able to go to Hawaii. So instead of going somewhere here in California, we decided to actually fly to Hawaii. So super excited. Last time we were in Hawaii, it was like almost 2 years ago and it was for 8 days. So this trip is technically a little shorter, but I think it's still like enough time to enjoy it. So the plan is to pack in a carry-on. We're trying not to bring a check-in bag because it always just takes much longer. You have to wait for the bags, and I feel like I brought way too many items last time, so I feel like we can just pack in the carry-on. We each will have a carry-on, so I think it's gonna be fine. My only concern is that I want to bring my Dyson Airwrap with pretty much all the accessories, so that's gonna probably take the most amount of room in my carry-on. I also want to bring my Celine belt bag, which I'm gonna put in my carry-on because I'm gonna bring just a travel, like a bigger bag to carry as a personal item bag. So usually what like takes the most amount of room in my luggage is Dyson and toiletries. And this time I'm like, I'm not gonna bring a lot of toiletries. I'll try to use whatever the resort has. So I actually just literally checked what like amenities and toiletries the hotel we are staying at will offer. And they have, you know, standard shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, you know, shower gel, whatever, stuff like that. So they will have everything. Honestly, I don't think I need to bring anything extra, but I will bring my own shampoo because I don't want to use any SLS products for my hair, so especially since I had keratin treatment done, so I want to preserve that. So I'm gonna bring my own shampoo, but usually conditioners are pretty mild, so I'm just gonna use whatever they have. And I have a packing list which I made 2 years ago basically for that Hawaii trip, so I still have that one, and I've been deleting a lot of things that I originally put on it, basically really minimalizing it because, like I said, I brought way too many things and I didn't use like over 50% of it. So I'm packing less clothes, less toiletries, less electronics, everything just very minimal. I'm doing laundry. We already dropped Tortellino off our pet sitter. He was so excited, so funny. He just loves our pet sitter, and she honestly loves Tortellino, and like her whole family, her husband and her toddler just adore Tortellino, so he is always super excited to go there. So he was already dropped off. I also had to go to Nordstrom to pick a few things, like few swimsuits that I bought for the trip literally last minute. They didn't have one, actually two that I ordered, because one that I ordered and I paid for it, like I opened the whole thing and I saw that it had a rip, so I had to return it. So I ended up with 2 new swimsuits. I can't forget my hat, yes, and also Invisalign cleansing tablets, because I don't think I have it on my list. These are the 2 things that I don't think I saw on my list and I need to add because they're pretty important. So let's just start packing. Let me just show you quickly what I got. So this is one of the swimsuits that I got. It was actually on sale for 90, okay, actually, yeah, $88. Looks like this. Like, it looks very cute on me, even though like yellow is technically not my color. At least that's what Tony said, so whatever. But I got that one in size large, I believe. And this one is also size 10. Originally I tried on size 8, which was fine, but it was very tight, like it wasn't very comfortable, so I decided to get size 10. It's very cute and it's very high quality. I ordered some swimsuits from Amazon, literally arrived yesterday, and they were shit, like They were literally the worst quality. So I returned them today, and I'm never buying anything, you know, like any swimsuits from Amazon because they were the worst. Like these are so much more flat. They are not flat, they are flattering. Like they look more flattering on me. Anyway, and the last thing is my hokas. So I decided to buy hokas, and I wanted white hokas, and I got these ones. And these are the Clifton ones. They are not. Yeah, Clifton. Yeah. The regular ones, they're not the wide ones, because I tried the wide ones and they were way too wide. So I got these, and I love how they look. They are really nice, but I'm still not sure which ones I like more, because this is Clifton, but there's also Bondi 8, which I love. They look so good. Quite honestly, I feel like they even look better than this. So I'm like, oh, I think I'm gonna end up I'm gonna basically buy also Bondi 8 in white. They didn't have it at Nordstrom, so I'm gonna buy it from their website and just compare and see which ones like fit better. These supposed to be lighter, and this is still like pretty, like it's very structured, but this is supposed to be lighter, better for walking. Bondi 8 is better for running, but I'm planning to use them for running and for walking, so we'll see. I grabbed these. I was considering Brooks. I forgot the name. I'm gonna link them down below, but they were beautiful too. Just they didn't have the color that I wanted, which was silver. They only had like the pink one, and I want something more minimalistic, so I didn't buy them. I basically just ended up buying hokas because I really like that they are just plain white without, you know, colorful logo, because I don't really like big logos on any of my clothing and accessories. So these just looked slightly better to me, but Brooks were as comfortable, so it was a hard choice. chickens?
Well, it's a half chicken.
Whoa.
Yeah. Change the fact that I'm just 4 hours 45 minutes. It shouldn't be more than 5. Just the one
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were the way. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. You watch the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.